Welcome back, Rapping Chef. So today what may I teach you for make is the dauphinoise potatoes. We're gonna go to the store. We actually gonna get the stuff that we need for this. I don't need much. We just need we need heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, thyme. I already got onion in my pantry, so we good. So follow through the steps. I'm gonna do like a little vlog, not too much, because I'm just going to Walmart real quick. So stay with me. The Rapping Chef, all right? The name of the potato, dauphinoise, is gonna be somewhere, I think here. Yeah, it's gonna be here. It's dauphinoise, that's how you spell it.
Let me tell you what that pan would do. Yeah. Let me tell you what that pan would do. Hey. Let me tell you what that pan would do. Yeah. Let me tell you what that pan would do. It gives a powerful voice to a coy mute. It fills in the void and make you absolute. If it was 2K and 99 your attributes, it transforms to a jetpack when you need a boost. That motivation to live out your imagination. A therapist when you reach your point of aggravation. It's medication that won't lead to a detonation. Another way to find peace.
Yeah, sometimes this shit is so hard to find what you're looking for. I'm looking for dairy.
As a doctor or a lapidly playing plot, no matter, just pick a spot and show us what you got. You might even surprise yourself. Yeah. Let me tell you what that pan would do. Let me tell you what that pan would do. Yeah. Let me tell you what that pan would do. Yeah. Let me tell you what that pan would do. Imagine this, man, it changed your life. Imagine this, yes, it changed your life. Put that pen in the paper. Yeah, imagine this, it will change your life.
I'm a man in the mission, got some skills in the kitchen. Started out doing dishes to pay my sister tuition. I'm always on guard, your best friends could be your enemies. Knowledge is a word, that shit could be a remedy. Write a letter to my future self, please remember me. Compassion is a weapon, that shit could change humanity. I've never been passive, I'm right and aggressive. And if you live on second chance, then count your blessings. Keep your head above waters, don't burn your bridges. You ain't get the whole picture, then you're losing your vision. Jamaican, my place of birth,
so
no luxury. Remember way back, mama couldn't buy them grocery. Grand smoke the pipe, break the ground, that's how we eat. Tell my mama love her, promise her I'ma wash your feet. Look up, survive, and grandma thanks for the enchantment. I talk to God every day, praying I do the right thing. They tell me at an early age my life should have been the end. I put the pen to the paper, turn me to a better man. I got an idea, maybe you could pray for me. I'm confident, my confidence evident, no pretense.
Let me tell you what that pen would do. Let me tell you what that pen would do. Yeah. Let me tell you.
When you're using the maddening, you want to be careful. At the same time, you don't want to cut your hand. So I'm going to show you how I use this. So pay attention. I rest my hand on the potato. You want to go palms, and you want to rest the potato in here when you're slicing. And always lift your finger for a slice, and then you just keep slicing away. If you can't go any further, always throw the rest away if you want to. That's up to you. But I don't try to slice down too much and slice my finger off. So and then you want to set your oven for 355, and then what we're going to do after that, we're gonna bake this for 2.5 hours. Baby, I'll throw that in there. What you want to do, you want to make layers, little layers of it. So I do a layer of cheddar cheese cooking, and guess what? My oven is ready. We're gonna bake this. Take a toothpick or a knife, pierce right through it. If it goes all the way through it freely, it's done. If it's not, this is done. So what I do, I put some cheese on top, and and then I'm just gonna put it back in the oven for a little bit and let the cheese melt. Again, guys, thank you for watching my show. It's Rapping Chef Mac Darrell. Like, subscribe, and share. A lot more videos to come. My album is officially out. Entry to the Game. You can find me on SoundCloud, Mac Darrell. That's MCKDAREAL. Check me out. The album is called Entry to the Game. I haven't posted yet on Apple Music, but check me out. All right.